Let's talk about apple cider vinegar, also known as, some people abbreviate it as ACV. Apple cider vinegar, also known as sweet cider or soft cider or simply cider, is a name for unfiltered, unsweetened, non-alcoholic beverage made from apple. I think that already sounds good, right? So apple cider vinegar is very good for weight loss in the sense that it reduces your appetite. Apple cider vinegar is extracted from apple and it is then boiled to kill both bacteria and for preservation. So you can keep your apple cider vinegar even out of fridge for so long because of its natural component, and it only consists of about 3 calories. That means it is very safe, it is very healthy. Even if you're fasting, you can still add apple cider vinegar into your drinks and it's not going to break your fast at all. If you're going to add about 5 to 10 mils of apple cider vinegar into your drink, which is going to be about 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, it is just total 6 calories, which is not enough to break your fast or to stimulate insulin production. What are the benefits of apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar has been in use for centuries, for years, thousands of years back, and it's been used for food preservation, for cooking, and for medicine even in the past. Because of its benefits, which include lowering cholesterol, helping for weight loss because it inhibits or it helps prevent you from being hungry or reduce your hunger. It's also helped to improve diabetes symptoms, and it can lower your blood sugar level. There are loads of apple cider vinegar out there, but which one should you use, especially if you're trying to lose weight? It should be the apple cider vinegar that has the mother in it. The mother in the apple cider vinegar is very important because organic unfiltered apple cider vinegar also contains a substance called mother, which consists of a strand of protein, enzymes, and friendly bacteria, which gives the product a very murky appearance, which is believed to be the source of most of the health benefits. So you see under the apple cider vinegar, most of it, you see kind of residue. I don't know, you cannot see it just now. You may not be able to see it now. If you leave your apple cider vinegar to stay for a while, you're going to see it's going to separate. There's going to be some residue, which is the original one you want to get. You can get this off Amazon. It is not promoted, sponsored by any means or source. I'm just doing this because I've tried this. I know on this channel we share all the tips that we know to help each other. Especially if you're trying to lose weight, it is a lot of work when you start to research. You want to know what you should do, and I've tried this out, and I'm going to be recommending everything I've done or that I'm doing that's helping me to lose weight. So apple cider vinegar is something I would recommend. Like I always say in all my videos, if you have any health concern or any reason why you cannot take some of these things, or why you cannot take apple cider vinegar, especially if you've got ulcer or any other health conditions, please consult your doctor and don't just do whatever you think is right from your head or because I've told you. Anything that has to do with health is not one shoe size fits all. It has to be specific for you. Try to speak with your doctor if you have any concern or if you have any challenge and you think this may not be suitable for you. Try to speak with your doctor and please follow your doctor's advice. Apart from that, apple cider vinegar is very advisable to use. It is really nice. It is easy to use. It can taste not so nice because it's not sweet, but there are ways you can make it taste better by adding more liquid, adding honey. But please be careful if you're fasting or you're doing intermittent fasting or you're doing keto diet or any of those things. If you're going to add honey to your apple cider vinegar, make sure it is original or it's going to break your fast, because some honey are just mixed with sugar, and then what you're trying to avoid are calories, right? So if you're taking apple cider vinegar, you're adding too much sugar. I was doing that in the past because it makes it taste sweeter and it's easier to drink. But then I began to understand that if I'm adding honey to my drinks or to my apple cider vinegar drink, I'm just going to gain those calories that I'm trying to avoid back, because the more you drink, the more you take honey, and some of those honey are not even natural, they're not original, and it has calories in them. So if you can drink it without the honey, it's going to be very good. Apple cider vinegar is very acidic, so be careful when you're drinking apple cider vinegar because of your teeth, because of the effect on your teeth. Advice, if you can, please use straw. I always love to use straw for my apple cider vinegar because then you're just drinking to your tongue and then it goes straight into your stomach. But if you're going to drink it just like that, sometimes it can be very harsh if you don't even dilute it properly. Then it can be harsh even on your lips, on your tongue, and your teeth. So please be very careful if you're going to be drinking apple cider vinegar. And when you drink apple cider vinegar, one thing I would advise is to rinse your mouth. Make sure you rinse your mouth at least twice after drinking apple cider vinegar, because you can still have some of the deposit of those acidic content on your teeth, and it's going to be very erosive. When should you drink apple cider vinegar? If you suffer from heartburn, indigestion, then I advise that you take apple cider vinegar in the morning when you just had your meal or before you you have your meal, very close to when you're going to have your meal and when you're still active walking about, because it is acidic. If you're diabetic and you're trying to lower your insulin level or your cholesterol, then it is advisable to take apple cider vinegar before you go to bed, because then it will help you to lower your blood glucose level and it will sustain you before the morning. That does not mean you shouldn't take your medication or take your injection. Apple cider vinegar is not a magic drink. It's not a magic. I think in weight loss there's no magic pill you can take except to go for surgery. There's nothing that's going to come magically, but it will gradually help you towards achieving that goal of weight loss, or towards achieving that healthy lifestyle you want to keep, or whatever it is you're looking for. It is a gradual progress, a gradual result you're going to get. You're not going to drink apple cider vinegar today and the next day you wake up with 6-pack. No, but gradually it will start to help you to reduce even your sugar craving. It will help you reduce your appetite. So from there, if you're reducing your appetite, then you automatically will not eat much, and then you can begin to use your stored fat, which will help you to lose weight. So that is how it works. It's a gradual process, but it is one step further or one step faster to losing that weight. There are so many other ways in which you can have your apple cider vinegar. Apart from adding it directly to your water and drinking, you can add it to your salad, to your vegetables. You can add it even when you're cooking. Add it to your meal, and the whole house or the whole family can benefit from the apple cider vinegar, and it will not just be going to be you. In case you cannot drink it, you've tried it, you can't drink it, these are other ways in which you can use it as a dressing for your salad, for any other thing you're doing around the house, and it's going to be a very good thing. So how do you prepare, or how do you use apple cider vinegar? All you're going to need are 1 glass of water, a tablespoon, your apple cider vinegar. That is it. All you need to do is just to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and that is it, done. Drink this in the morning or before you go to bed, and you're going to see the result, and that is all you need.
And a sweet cold drink in the heat. Oh, I'll be beside you every step of the way, right here beside you every step of the way.
Before you go, please hope you have remembered to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Especially subscribe. Please just press the red button. It is free of charge and it is your way of supporting me. Thank you, and I will see you again in my next tip, next advice. Let's be family and let's talk. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, I will say take care, stay safe, bye. Oh, it is not sponsored. It is what there are loads of apple cider out there. Vinegar can be erosive. It can erode or destroy the lining of your enamel, which is it can destroy your enamel in your teeth, or it can make your teeth. In a simple word, what you should be careful of is apple cider vinegar can be erosive because it is very acidic, and it can erode it can